Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. In yesterday we have studied that one. This true and means multiple choice question, isn't it? Now today we will study what true and false. True and false. First question: between any two consecutive even number, there lies an odd number. Between any two consecutive, what it is given, even number, there lies an odd number. You know that consecutive number means consecutive even number. Which are the consecutive even number? For example, 2. 2 is an even number. Even number means those number which comes in the place of 1, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Like that are called even number. And odd number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Like this number is getting in one's place. And this is the one digit, more than a one digit number also. Sometimes 17 also. 17 means 2 digit number is an odd number. Okay, like that. Means between any two consecutive number. You can take any two. For example, 2. 2 I have taken here consecutive number. Okay, and means 2 and which is the next nearest consecutive number means nearest number. But only between any two consecutive even number. But only we want even number. 2 and 4. 2 is even number. 4 is also an even number. These are the consecutive number. 2 and 6. These are not consecutive number. 2 and 4 or otherwise 0 and 2 also we can take. Here 4 and 6. Okay, or 2 and 4 you can take any. These are the two consecutive even number. There lies an odd number. In between these two number 2 and 4 there lies an odd number. Look at which number lying? 3, and 3 is an odd number. That means between any two consecutive number there lies an odd number. Take any example. For example 8 and 10. 8 and 10 I have taken consecutive even number. In between this number 8 and 9 which number lying? इसके बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 9. तो 9 क्या हो गया? Odd number. Between any two consecutive even number there lies an odd number. So statement is what? True. कोई भी 1 डिजिट लो, 2 डिजिट लो, कोई भी डिजिट का नंबर लेके कॉन्सेक्यूटिव उसमें एक ऑड नंबर लाए होता है. समझ में आया? So I explain this one. 2 and 4 I took. In between that 2 and 4, 3 get lying. That's why between any two consecutive even number there lies an odd number. Now next, 73 has only two factors. What are the factors of 73? Factors of 73 are 73 factors of 73 are 1. In one's table we are getting 73. Again 1, 2, 3. Again not getting anything. And lastly 73. So 73 has only two factors, 1 and 73. 73 has only two factors. So this statement is also true. 73 has only two factors. Okay, now third, 20 has only 5 multiples less than 100. 20 has only what it is given? 5 multiples less than 100 it is given. So at first you write multiples of which number? 20. Multiples of 20 has. We will write multiples of 20 less than 100. Okay. Then we will check. 20 has how many multiples you are getting. Okay. What are the multiples of 20? Means multiplication table of 20 are 20, 21 are 20, 22 are 40, 23 are 60, 24 are 80 and 25 are 100. But here given multiples less than 100. 100 is getting equal. So how many multiples you got? This 20 is less than 100, 40 is also less than 100, 60 also less than 100, 80 also less than 100. Here we can't take 100. Why? Because 100 and 100 getting equal. Here according to question, 20 has only 5 multiples less than 100. Now how many multiples you got? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many multiples you are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4 less than 100. 20 has only 4 multiples less than 100. But in question it is given 20 has only 5 multiples less than 100. So this statement is false. We are getting actually 4 multiples less than 100. But in question it is given 5 multiples less than 100. That's why statement is wrong. False. Next, fourth question. An even number cannot be prime. An even number cannot be prime. For example, 2. 2 is an even number. But 2 is, what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. So 2 is prime number. 2 is what? Prime number. 2 is prime number. Understood? An even number. 2 is an even number. Cannot be prime. Cannot be prime. Why? 2 is a prime number. We are getting 2 is even number and that is prime number also. But in question given, an even number cannot be prime. An even number can be prime. Should be there. But here given cannot. That's why this sentence is also false. Understood? इवन नंबर भी प्राइम नंबर हो सकते हैं, होते हैं, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में दिया है इवन नंबर कभी भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं होता है, इसलिए फॉल्स. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, ऑल होल नंबर्स आर आल्सो नेचुरल नंबर. होल नंबर मीन्स व्हाट? द नंबर्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, many whole number. There is no end of whole number and smallest whole number is 0. And natural number start from counting numbers are called natural number. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Means whole numbers we are getting in whole numbers. Whole number always start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Many numbers are there. And natural number start from which we have to 0 से नहीं होता है, 1 से होता है. 1, 2 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 many things. Okay. All whole number. अभी क्या पूरे के पूरे whole number? All whole numbers are also natural number. पूरे whole number इसमें है क्या natural number में? देखो 0 आया क्या यहाँ पर, natural number में नहीं है. 1, 2 बाकी के पूरे है, लेकिन एक नंबर नहीं, मिसिंग है इसमें. All whole numbers are also natural number पूछा है. क्या पूरे के पूरे whole number natural number में है क्या? नहीं है. सभी है लेकिन क्या नहीं है, सिर्फ 0 नहीं है, इसलिए दिस स्टेटमेंट इज आल्सो फॉल्स. पूरे के पूरे होल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर में नहीं है. समझ में आया? क्योंकि होल नंबर 0 से स्टार्ट होता है और नेचुरल नंबर 1, 2, 3 से होता है. तो यहाँ सभी 1, 2, 3 सब मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन 0 नहीं है उसमें, इसलिए दिस स्टेटमेंट इज व्हाट इनकरेक्ट. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस all whole numbers are also natural numbers is false. So note down these two points. Now fill in the blanks. See, if an odd number is divided by 2, remainder is always dash. If an odd number, take any odd number, for example 7i2. Okay, take any odd number, any. If an odd number is divided by what? 2. Now divide this number by 2. Okay. Now I took here 7 is an odd number and that number I have divided by 2. Remainder is always dash. What remainder you are getting? That we have tried. Now 2. 2's table, nearest number, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are what? 6. Now 7 minus 6, 1. What we are getting? Remainder here, 1. Take any odd number. Not. For example, you can take 47 also. 47 also we are taking, that only getting 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay. 4 minus 4, 0. Now bring this 7 down. Okay, 2 3s are 6. Now 7 minus 6, 1. If we are dividing any odd number by 2, then remainder is always what? 1. Understood? Now next, second. If remainder is 0. If remainder is what? 0. Then divisor is there. For example here. Now 16 and here I took 8. 16 divided by 8. 8 2s are 16. Now 16 minus 16, 0. Okay. If remainder is 0, then divisor. Here divisor called what? 8. And dividend 16. Then divisor is a dash of dividend. Then divisor is a what? What we have to do? If remainder is 0, then divisor is a factor. Is a factor of dividend. Why? Because that dividend is completely divisible by what? Divisor. That's why if remainder is 0, then divisor is a factor of dividend. 8 is a factor of 18. We can say that at that time. Understood? If remainder is 0, then next, the sum of all factors of 8. At first you have to find factors of 8. Factors of 8 are, what are the factors of 8? 1. In 1's table we are getting 2 4s are 8, 2 also. Okay. 3's table we are not getting 8, so don't write 3. 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 not, 6 also not, 7 also not, directly 8. So what are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. Now the sum of all the factor, what we have to take here? Sum. Sum means what? Plus. 1 plus 2 plus the sum of all the factors of 8. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. How much you are getting? Their answer you have to write. Now 1 plus 2, 3. And 3 plus 4, 7. And 7 plus 8, how much? 7 plus 8, 15. Understood? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. And 7 plus 8 equal to 15. The sum of all the factors of, at first we have to write factors of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then what we have to take? Sum. Sum means plus. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8. How much we are getting here? 15. Understood now? The sum of all the factors of 8 is 15. Now, fourth question. A number which is divisible by another number is called its. A number which is divisible by another number is called its multiple. Is called its what? Multiple. A number which is divisible by another number. For example, 16 is divisible by 8. So that is called factor as well as multiples also. Now last question. The smallest whole number is. Smallest which is the whole number? The whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So the smallest whole number is what? 0. The smallest whole number is what? 0. So understood? So these are the 5. Fill in the blank. Okay, note down this one. And now what left here? Crossword and value based question. We will study in next break. So note down this.